Alright class, let's go for the next question. Question 10. Now question 10 here, alright, so basically the question is asking you to draw 4 equilateral triangles. So how am I going to do this? So if you see in your book, alright, okay, it has a weird shape over there, so what we're going to do. Now if you notice, they didn't tell you what is the length, like what is the length of the base. Okay, so actually when you are doing this question, you do not need to measure the base, but for practices purpose and for you to learn, okay, so I would suggest you to measure it, but to be honest, you do not need to do it, but just for practice purposes. So just let me give you 6 centimeter as the base. Okay, 6 centimeter. So I just mark 0 and I mark 6. Just gonna draw a straight line across it. Alright, that is my base. And then I'm just gonna use my compass. Okay, match it like so. Alright, draw an arc, and draw an arc, and I got my equilateral triangle, just like that. Just like that. Now, this is where the difficult part starts, alright? So again, of course, you can double check, make sure this is 6, okay? Yay, okay? Equilateral triangle. Now, if you notice the drawing here, I should have another triangle over here like this. Now, you can't just simply draw a triangle like, hey, it's gonna be here, here, and here. That would be wrong, okay? You can't do that. So what do you know? You know it's an equilateral triangle, correct or not? So you know all the sides are equal. So I need another triangle somewhere over here, correct or not? Okay, so just let me sketch out first so that you all get an idea what I'm talking about. You know that I need a triangle somewhere over here, okay? Now you can't just do this, alright? This is wrong. Okay, you can't just assume like that. But just to give you an idea, what do I need to do? When you do like this, you need to know that all these are equilateral triangle, which means that all the sides are the same. Here is equals to here, here is equals to here, and here is equals to here, correct or not? Okay, that's what it means by equilateral triangle. So let me just erase all the marks which I made, and then I will continue to draw. Okay, so I hope you all get the idea I'm talking about. Alright, so basically we in the earlier video we have learned a skill. If you want to draw a line exactly in the middle, what should we do? We should draw a perpendicular bisector. Okay, we should be drawing a perpendicular bisector. Okay, so that's all you need to do. So what should I do? That's okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, now I just want to find the middle point here. How do I do that? I can't just assume it's here, or I can't just like cheat and say like, hey, it's 6 cm, so I know it's 3. Okay, so I don't need to do that. Okay, use a compass to do it properly. Okay, so draw a perpendicular bisector. You have your point on top, so all you need to do now is to do at the bottom. Alright, that's all. And then just put your ruler, and you know that this straight line, okay, where does it cut through? It cuts through over here, so let's mark this point. Okay, right, this is exactly the middle now. Alright, by drawing a perpendicular bisector, you can double check this. So see, it's exactly 4 on 3. Alright, that's the reason why I want to measure 6, so I can show you that when you draw a perpendicular bisector, it will exactly fall in the middle. Okay, doesn't matter any length you draw, it will exactly fall in the middle. So that's what you need to do. So what you need to do now is to draw another perpendicular bisector for this part. So just take your compass again. Alright. Okay, so again, when you want to draw perpendicular bisector, remember the criteria is open your compass bigger than half, that's all. Now why do I choose over here just now? Because since I have this point, I'm just going to utilize this point to draw this one over here. That's the only reason. But since I don't have any point for this line, I don't have any 2 points for this straight line, any 2 points here, I'm just gonna do this. Alright, I don't need to follow this because it's gonna be big. I'm just gonna close it a little bit. As long as more than half, that would be great. So I'm just gonna draw here, and draw here, okay. Then put here, draw here, and I draw here. Okay. The next thing I see, I have my 2 points here, which will form a straight line, a perpendicular line to be exact. So I'm just gonna place here, alright, and mark. So make sure it falls properly. So that is exactly my center. Alright, that is exactly my center. I can use my ruler to prove to you again. It will fall exactly at 3 centimeter. Okay, and you do the same thing for this one as well. So just take your compass again. Alright, mark your arc, go over here, mark your arc, and you're done. So connect these 2 points, mark. Alright, this will be exactly at center 3. You can see right now. Okay, exactly. Alright, so now you got all your points. So all you need to do now is to connect them. That's all. Just connect. Just connect. And you are done with the question. Alright, that's all. Done. Okay, so you also can double check everything. So now just to double confirm to make sure you construct everything correctly. So this is 1 equilateral, 2, 3, and 4, right? So just measure quickly. What is this actually? This is 3, right? Is this 3 over here? Yes, it's exactly 3 as well. Is this 3 over here? Yes, it's exactly 3 as well. And same as this one. Okay, you can just take your time and measure this lah. So this is already correct. Alright, that's all. Thank you very much.